Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know a lot of us must be wondering when this lockdown will get over so that our children can go to their schools and enjoy their childhood in a normal way, like how we grew up with friends and with our teachers, with a better surrounding, and Uh, but there are there are parents like me also who are kind of enjoying this break because I, being a working mom of a 3-year-old, I'm kind of looking it in a very positive way because I'm getting to spend a lot of time with my child and I can see him growing up in front of me, which I was not being able to do before the lockdown. So, a lot of parents like me have this thing for educating their children at home, which is not exactly like homeschooling because in India, like we all know, we end up sending our kids to school. There's not a culture of homeschooling. I mean, it's not that prevalent, but especially in most of the cities. But there are parents like us who believe in educating their children at home and spending time in their upbringing and their early education. So this video is definitely for parents and caregivers like that who believe in early educating their kids at home. So a lot of a lot of my friends have been asking how I take care of Abir's, my son's home. I mean education or learning at home. So there are few things which I am working on. One of which is reading. So as most of you who are part of this group who have subscribed to my channel, they know that Abir started reading very early, like almost at the age of 2.5 to 2 years or 10 months or something. And I'm still brushing up that skill. I'm doing a lot of work on that aspect. There's one more thing which I'm going to talk to you about in this video. So for those who are interested in this video and in content like these, please do subscribe to my channel so that you can be regular on the videos I post. So this is about how to teach addition to kids as young as 3 years. So I started with Abir a couple of months back when he was like 3 years and 2 months or something, and I kind of observed that he has a certain inclination towards maths and counting, probably because I have been doing a lot of activities with him, a lot of pre-math activities and all of that. But we used to demonstrate basic simple math at home, math concepts at home, sorting exercises we used to do. So I'll link below in the description box a lot of videos that I have done around this, be it around his reading or developing his pre-math skills. So you can check this out as well. But in this video specifically, we are going to talk about the early addition techniques that you can teach your child who's as young as 3 years old. Yes, Abir is 3 years old and he kind of knows basic additions. At least 1-digit numbers he can easily manage. So I'll give you a quick demonstration of how I did it. See, I always keep saying, there's nothing called too early or too late. So it all depends on the child's interest and ability, and we should not force them to do anything. So I saw that there's a natural inclination towards math, so I tried to work this out, and it kind of worked in our favor. Similarly, I'm working on his music and his reading skills. So for your child, it can be something else. It can be a different language, but it has to be interest led. Otherwise, if you force your child to do something, I don't know. I'm not an expert on this, but I don't think one should do that. So let's see how Abir learned it, and I'll show you how much he enjoys doing it. Hi Abir.
Hi, Mama.
Abir, can you tell us what is 2 plus 3?
2 plus 3. 2 plus
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
5. Good job. Now tell me what is 4 plus 2?
4 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6.
Good job.
Now tell me what is 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1. 1, 2. 2. Very good. Now tell me what is 5 plus 2? 1 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Good job. Now tell me what is 3 plus 4? 3 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. Good job. Now tell me what is 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. 1 plus 1 plus 3? 1 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job.
Yes. So the first point is by using your fingers. When the kids are as young as 2 or 3, they always keep exploring their own self, their body parts and everything. So they consciously try to imitate the adults, like how I'm talking in front of you while using my hands. So Abhi at some point will do that sitting in front of in front of anything, and he assumes that it's a laptop or it's a screen, and he tries to imitate how I speak. So that is something that you can kind of leverage upon, and if you do it in front of them, like I taught him 1 plus 1, 1, 2. Of course, the child needs to know their counting before this. That is a given. But this procedure, this process has its own shortcoming, because there are only 5 fingers in each hand. So using our fingers, using your fingers, he can only count any number, like add within the limit of 5. So for that comes our next step. I'll show you. For me,
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
okay, plus
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
okay. So what is the totals? 7 plus 8 is
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
very good. So where do you write 15 on the dash? Yes,
This.
yes. Write 15. 1,
5.
good job. Next one.
5 plus 6, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is 5 plus 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Very good. Like 11? On the dash, yes. Yes, about that, yes. 1, 11. Very good. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the total? 9 plus 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Good job! Yes, 1, 2, 13. No, on the dash, baby. That's okay, I help you. Thank you. Okay. Yes, yes. 1, 13, yes, very good. 1, 3, 13, very good. Now,
Do you want to do another addition yourself? You want to write it here?
Yes.
What do you want to do? Tell me.
10 plus 10.
Okay, write 10 plus 10.
10 plus
Write plus.
plus
Wow, very good.
10.
Okay. Equals to. Write equals.
Equals to
What? Put a dash.
what?
Yes. Now tell me what is. So a lot of parents will not agree with me here because I'm using a pen, a pencil, and a paper and a proper notebook to solve, to make him solve an addition problem. But let's accept it. After a year or something, they'll have to learn it at school. They'll have to use pencils and notebooks. Then why not now? If the child is feeling motivated using a pencil and a notebook like an adult, I mean, there's no harm in equipping them with resources. So, if you have a pen and a paper in front of you handy, I don't think there's any need to have any manipulatives or any sort of props to make them understand simple additions. Of course, you can use abacus and a lot of other things which are available in the market, but this is like very simple, and like I said, it has to be interest led. I'll also show you a book that I found is very interesting in teaching early addition and early concepts of addition and subtraction to kids who are young. So, I'll link it below in the description box for those who want to buy it. And that's it for this video. And there are other ways to keep them in practice, and we all know that during the lockdown a lot of parents, a lot of kids are suffering because of the screen time that the kids are exposed to. I mean, we have to accept that at times there is no other alternative to it, because there's schooling happening online, there are classes or whatever kids are doing. It's mostly online. So there are apps and there are other things online which will help you kind of make your child's screen time more productive. So if you want me to do a separate video on this, please do let me know in the comment section. I would be happily doing that. And especially for this topic, for addition, I've got some brilliant apps in place which I at very rarely, but I still prefer giving a productive screen time to Abid than making him sit in front of the television or the iPad and watch cartoons or animations all day long. Do let me know how you feel about this video, and if you want me to cover any specific topic in my upcoming videos, please do let me know. And do subscribe to this channel, share with other parents, and like this video if you like it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.